Pineapple upside-down cake is a classic dessert that originated in the United States, likely in the early 20th century. The exact origin is not definitively documented, but it gained popularity during the mid-20th century, particularly in the 1920s and 1930s, when canned pineapple became more widely available. One popular theory is that pineapple upside-down cake was created as a promotional recipe by the Dole Pineapple Company in the early 20th century to increase pineapple consumption and boost sales of canned pineapple. The upside-down method of baking the cake with the fruit on the bottom and then flipping it over before serving allowed the pineapple to caramelize with sugar and butter, creating a sweet and sticky topping. Over the years, variations of the recipe have emerged, with some adding cherries, nuts, or different spices to the topping or batter. Despite its humble origins, pineapple upside-down cake remains a beloved dessert in many households and continues to be enjoyed today. Pineapple upside-down cake, while delicious, isn't typically considered a health food. However, it does contain some beneficial ingredients. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that may aid digestion. Whole wheat flour. If made with whole wheat flour instead of refined flour, the cake may provide some fiber, which is important for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Fruit. Aside from pineapple, some recipes include other fruits like cherries, which add more vitamins and antioxidants to the dessert. Fruit. Aside from pineapple, some recipes include other fruits like cherries, which add more vitamins and antioxidants to the dessert. Mood boost. Indulging in a sweet treat like pineapple upside-down cake can provide a mood boost and satisfy cravings, which can contribute to overall well-being. However, it's important to consume pineapple upside-down cake in moderation, as it tends to be high in sugar, fat, and calories, which may not align with certain dietary goals or health conditions. Additionally, store-bought versions may contain additives and preservatives that could detract from its healthfulness. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.